Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've recorded any, skincare video, a proper skincare routine. So yeah, today I'm going to do that. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is of course double cleansing, and I have shown you that hundreds of times. And again, I'm gonna double cleanse off camera. I'm gonna use micellar water because I have combination skin, and micellar water works best for me. If you have dry skin, if oil cleanser suits you, then go for that. So I'm gonna use micellar water and then the face wash. I don't know how many tubes of this I have finished, and this is my most favorite. I don't change it, so I'm just gonna double cleanse my face and come back. Okay, so I have double cleansed my face, and as you can see, everything is out. Sunscreen, makeup, everything is out. The next step that I'm going to do is apply a toner. This is the Round Labs Dog Door Toner. Okay, I have used this much of the product. This is actually a very hydrating yet lightweight toner. If you have also oily and or combination skin like mine, you can actually use this toner for a lot of hydration to give your face that extra boost of hydration. This is very lightweight, so you can layer it up. Like, you can do the 7 layer method with this toner as well. This is very hydrating, and it also have a little bit of exfoliating properties to it, so it is very good for people who have like really sensitive skin. This is great. I usually just use 1 or 2 layer rub enough. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna leave my face for at least 5 minutes before going on to the next step. Okay, so once the toner has been absorbed really well into my face, the next step is going to be serum, and for that I'm gonna use this minimalist multi-peptide 10% face serum. It has matrixyl, 7% of matrixyl, oligopeptides, and polypeptides. Basically, it's a peptide serum, and if you are looking for a peptide serum and that too on a budget from an Indian brand, this is the best one that you can get. This is actually my second bottle, and I actually enjoyed using this product, and I have seen you know changes into my face in terms of hydration, plumpness, even the fine lines of my eyes, they're also kind of softening up. So the very good option if you're looking for a budget friendly peptide serum. This one is actually good, and I think it would be suitable for all skin types. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit on my face for at least 2 minutes, and then I'll come back. So the next step is to moisturize my face, and for that I have so many options. These are the options. I go in with my CeraVe moisturizer when my face feels really dry. I go in with my Purito one when my skin feels irritated or something. And on a daily basis, these days I'm going in with this moisturizer. This is the VT Cosmetics PDRN capsule cream, and oh my god, I freaking love it. I'm gonna order the next bottle as soon as possible. As you can see, I've used this much of the product. I love it. Okay, it has 1 lakh ppm of PDRN, which is derived from ginseng. Okay, ginseng is a very good antioxidant. It's great for skin regeneration and improving the elasticity of your skin. I actually go in with a good quantity of this cream, and I'm loving it. Okay, my face is feeling so much softer these days. I actually love how it feels in the morning. So plump, so hydrated. Yet, this gel is very lightweight in texture. It's not at all, clogging my pores. Like, really good formulation. I am in love with this one. I'm gonna reorder this as soon as possible because I'm actually loving it, and this is actually giving me that glass skin effect. So very like, it's a chef's kiss. This is so nice. See, my face is already looking so plump, and this one actually does the job so well. It also has niacinamide as well as turmeric root extract for that brightening effect. And I have felt from the time that I have started using this, my face is feeling a lot better. There's a brightness on my face, there's a plumpness, hydration on my face, and my face actually feels soft to touch. So yes, this product does work, and I'm like really happy with this moisturizer. So once that is done, the next and the last step is using an eye cream, and for that I'm using this. This is the Numbuzin NAD plus retinol eye cream. Okay, so it has NAD plus encapsulated retinol into it, plus it has 50 kinds of peptides to it, also niacinamide for brightening. Okay, so I was so influenced to buy this product because I have under eye hollowness and I really wanted to get rid of that, and this product claims to tackle your wrinkles, dark circles, as well as under eye hollowness. So I bought this one, but as soon as I started using this product, I realized one thing: this is a product you can't use every day. Okay, before this I was using the Beauty of Joseon's retinol eye cream, and I don't know what it was, the formulation was very good or what, but I was able to use it every single day. Okay, but this is a retinol one, but still I am not able to use it every single day. I have seen that if I use it like initially when I started using it every single day, my eyes got so red and irritated. It does irritate my eyes if I use it frequently, so I use it like thrice a week only. That's it. That's how much I use it, and that's more than enough for me, I feel so, because if I use it more frequently, my eyes will get irritated, and nobody on the internet told me that. I was so influenced to buy this, and now I am able to use it because I'm not using it every single day. My eyes are okay, but if you have really sensitive eyes, this is not going to suit you. This is actually strong. I feel it's really strong. So yeah. Okay, so the eye cream is done. I'm also applying it over here, on my fine lines, a little bit whatever is left on my forehead, and also I'm gonna, use it on my neck. A little bit on my neck is enough. Yeah. Now it's done. So last but not the least is my lip oil. You can't leave your lips feeling crusty. And yeah, that's all I'm doing for my skin these days, and it's working great for me. And here's the close-up of how my skin is looking these days. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Bye.